Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So Bitcoin might actually go back to even 65 and 72,000 one more time, because it does look like Bitcoin is breaking the downtrend on the 4-hour time frame as well. And yeah, the weekly also shows a reversal candle. The weekly shows reversal on Bitcoin, and we can see a reversal on Pepe as well. So we might actually see a touch of the 10 one more time and try to push back up once again. So I think the market is showing reversal, very, very strong signs of reversal, more than downtrend at the moment. And I am more holding the idea of a move back up. All right, so the correction phase that we had after such a move to the upside, I think that's actually over, right? You've made the correction now. Maybe it's time we make another impulsive move and go back up. So the thing is, that's how it looks. The 4-hour time frame one more time. I'm just going to keep the video very simple and short today. And I've even told you the long-term, scenario, that it's not a big deal in crypto at the moment. You do have time until September next year. And I think alt season is still around the corner. We are going to get an alt season maybe in this year. And the maximum is next year, which is not a big deal. And the reason I'm saying this, you might think, now who's going to wait 1 year? I mean, it saddens me when people say this, because not everything is a fast money making scheme, to be honest with you. I mean, I get it, crypto is volatile and you can get some profit here and there, I get it, right? But why have people forgot totally that making money is not that simple? Making money requires lots of patience as well. Especially waiting 1 year is not a big deal. Our old people, elders, used to buy real estate, lands and whatnot, and they would wait 10 years, 15 years to get 2x and 3x, right? And then you have crypto that can actually give you 30x, 40x in maybe 1.5 years. It's totally worth it, in my opinion. It's not even a big deal, because if you don't wait 1 year, and this is not a financial advice, this is just my own opinion of a bull run that is coming. If you're not going to wait 1 year, 1 year and 3 months, 1 year and 6 months, and you just don't want to be patient, maybe this opportunity will come back after 6 years. Now that's even much worse, right? And then by then people are going to be ready to wait even 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It's funny. Don't do that. So thing is, you're already making some extraordinary moves. You've just broken above, coming down. Hopefully you make the retest successful, and then we push back up to where you pretty much came from. Again, invalidation is down at 876. Let's hope you don't really come down here. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.